Hi everyone, today we will be discussing about how to add location preferences on LinkedIn. Now before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencer that will teach you how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now jumping back onto the video, the steps are going to be quite simple. First, head over to your jobs section from the top, middle, and once you click that, you will be able to see we have preferences on the left side of our screen. Click on that, and now we need to head over to the very first option, which is basically open to work. So once you click on that, you will be able to see we have our locations in here. You can choose a new location and add it, and it will be added onto your preferences. And once you add that, it will be displaying something like this. So if you head over to your job alerts section, you can see we have our location showing up in here, and that's how easily you can add location preferences on LinkedIn. So I hope this was helpful, and before we get to the end, do not forget to get 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you guys around in the next video.